What can you do if you have a back made of one piece and now want to have two pattern pieces for the back which will be sewn together? For this, you can use the function mirror piece deselect mirror line and click your piece. Did you notice? The system has added the global seam value of the piece at the position of the previous mirror line. Another information. With our system you don't need to copy the back piece and mirror it on screen. You will say in the style definition that you need the counterpart.